ebi mu ka se bibi wo constitution ni mu express less deputy speaker timi to aba eno so moboa. The truth ne say o kan 1992 constitution from A to Z bibia ni mu e ka say deputy speaker so tie dwamu preside a otimi to aba ana wontimi to aba enim sa
enim yes
expressly enim
yes
and at best the obetumi aye ne say because when you are interpreting the constitution you interpret it as a whole obehwe constitution anka say deputy speaker ntimi to aba and anka so say deputy speaker betimi to aba enti utimi hwe constitution afafa bi ne nsem bi aka na wagina so in interpreting the constitution as a whole no impliedly we watch the wadwen won say me free say deputy speaker ntimi to aba me free say deputy speaker ebetimi to aba are you getting me but no any constitution no verbatim are you getting me
yes
so Supreme Court to say order 1093 Mashebegafo na aye de omujuma for 30 years ni deputy speaker bi anto abada no omo se enye mra papa na deputy speaker wo tumi se utimi to aba and I say Supreme Court for betimi akasa only if that order conflicts with a provision in the constitution.
And by provision you mean an express provision?
It must be a provision in the constitution.
Express provision.
Yes, it must be it must be a provision in the constitution. For example, if the constitution said that a deputy speaker can vote and parliament do a standing order and say a deputy speaker cannot vote,
yes,
that standing order is unconstitutional.
Unconstitutional.
So where in the constitution and a constitution is a deputy speaker betimi atuaba? So this whole argument say parliament is not sovereign, they are under the court. Omoye bibi na ya jetum obi anim sa right. But court so nye bibi na court wotumi so ye.
Of course.
Court wo so enforce mra. Se parliament ahye mra na ne ya mamra ne babura obetu sande de obetumi ahye sa mra na gu se nye mra papa. Enti we am ahye gu no any provision be ne babura. Obi me maka no kra cho say bibi any constitution we say deputy speaker ntimi ntuaba and a deputy speaker betimi atuaba de ye nyina ye no
and based on that who nyini say parliament express provision in their standing orders without any constitutional backing say deputy speaker are representing Kofu atuaba no ntimi ntuaba a monumental decision. I should
regulations
have in the constitution,
regulations and subsidiary legislations it provided for gray areas. It provided for even things that the parent law may not have provided for. Because any BBN parliament, any parliament for Nankatabe regulations, constitution Nankatabe regulations are parliament. But they can do standing orders where all they say about 200. Tikani na beshe constitution ni. Sa standing orders na wom no. Okohe order 2115. Yes say parliament ye adwuma in committees meboa. And yes say committees no. Your yetitire ni wo chairman no the committee na to aba take decision on only original vote on to aba
but casting vote
yes casting vote ni say omobo bracket yes so na ye ka no aba ne paya onu timi to bi to so onu abonya za na moye no chairman no onye MP only constituency other na parliament for ayemra say ontimi to aba original ontimi only original vote
na nye oye MP ni no casting vote no
and only
chairman role ni speaker of parliament role almost the same at the committee level, but the speaker has neither a original or a.
Now me say, what the first speaker Antonio because no MP. Muna mo say obi o MP bia no because of representing constituency in the water to aba. Me say adenti e na woko parliamentary committee a na parliament di omujuma ankasa. Chairman no ye to aba want me to be just aba na payansa. Because you say honorable mebo, because you say parliament for person just say we titire ni wo ho no. E was say we neutral. E was say we impartial. It won't to about be paid ya with me to be. Are you getting my point? And no constitution. If you're not so one can say your own constitutional because parliament I standing order. You're a chairman of a committee. Only original vote and also Supreme Court in Mungu because a new constitution. That is how warped in logic this Supreme Court decision is.
But has anybody brought that before the Supreme Court?
The Supreme Court if the Supreme Court is going to do that, then standing orders 90% because 90% of the standing orders in the constitution. 90% of the standing orders in the constitution. One body be institution be to me say onyemra and govern or no ni procedures in parliament. Why nemra? Any BBA a constitution ni mu mabura o se machiegu because any constitution mu na se mra na wo se omonya ni nyina wo constitution mu ene omo ye mra fofo ayeden di omo be ye no ye den dodo na anya den emma constitution mu obi utie mi ye
me too pa.
Some of the things are repetitions of constitutional provisions.
Yeah.
For example, the provision said the speaker shall have neither an original or casting vote. Constitution.
Absolutely.
Essential was standing order. But the was standing orders anymore any constitution. It means your own constitution because any constitution. You call schools and so it comes to the American and say Supreme Court decision, even without going into Article 102, 104, a fraud. Ghana beto ho me say we Re-Akoto decision free wa decision pa court no edi o man ni nya asay ye kabi mami kabi asay parliament kabi mami kabi ye wo mrashe bedwam eni really decision pa ye bad de basabasa ye beba mrashe bedwam eni. Master, what provision in the Constitution does that order violate? Where in the Constitution did the framers of the Constitution say a deputy speaker presiding to be Tuaba?
But
where number
what
one?
About when the detailed ruling comes out tomorrow?
Me say,
now proof.
Constitution,
how do you know?
You can't honorable person.
Honorable person.
Yeah, lawyer. Person of 109 standing orders. 2, Mr. Speaker shall have neither an original nor a casting vote.
Yes.
And if upon any question before the House the votes are equally divided, the motion shall be lost.
Yes.
Now 3, a deputy speaker or any other member presiding shall not retain his original vote while presiding. Why was 3 silent on casting vote? Why?
3 was silent on casting vote because where your constitution now has standing orders now.
Yes.
Ghana, you need to be a friend casting vote. Also, US in the Senate, where the vice president of US is the president of the Senate.
Yes.
See, vice president in your original vote, but you have a pie or casting vote. Casting vote on friend tie breaking vote. About pie into your teardrum. No, also. Oko board be brave.
Yes.
It get Bagana no over Article 104 now. Was a parliament. Your constitution you say parliament. Yeah, the assembly call near to a pie. It is considered as lost.
Yes.
And if it is considered a loss, then it means
the speaker is presiding.
No.
You see, the reason I'm asking is who say a bad deputy speaker
no.
Silent.
No, but me person say 104. No, me over Article 104, which is about decision making in Parliament, voting. Or say you two about Parliament that ban paya it is lost. Say yes, speaker and the say your deputy. Constitution say it is considered lost. Okay. So therefore, the issue of casting vote doesn't even come up. Are you get? That is why the Supreme Court is saying the deputy speaker has an original vote. Casting vote because I know the system of governance. So what I am saying is number one, South Supreme Court decision way a decision bonny decision banza because there is no express provision in the 1992 Constitution say deputy speaker while presiding utimi tuaba and the parliament for akwaye mra say ontumi tuaba for which reason most mo bo emra na go it is amra order 1093 emra papa edimu now it is consistent with other provisions in that standing order because uti edwam na ye deputy speaker ontimi nka say me wo constituency ntino me ye debate ono abobit me akasa mo kasa mo ye debate and wa pagya onsa my friend me ho my sorry agina makasa we obi wo point of order Mr. Speaker point of order who make me raise point of order against Mr. Speaker enti say or your MPO eso yesi ontimi nye debate and then no dey yanka say no dey disenfranchise ne constituency because they will lose their freedom of expression yenti your money e parliament you say when you afro akosro no wo ye ma to me ye ma wadodo de wo sa tu ade no hunti wo gina mfimfi it is argument na